Welcome to the webinar, New Capacity with Cloud Managed Services, a CommissionTrac story. Today, we're going to hear how CommissionTrac was introduced to ClearScale, how life radically changed shortly after working with ClearScale MSP, and what separates ClearScale Managed Services compared to the competition. I am Jay Martin, your host for this wonderful MSP story, and I am fortunately joined by two fantastic ClearScale assets, Dennis Volkov, Director of Managed Services, and Sergey Vasilikov, MSP Account Manager. Dennis, if you wouldn't mind, can you give a quick overview of who ClearScale is and your role related to the MSP?
Absolutely. Thanks, Jay, and hello, everyone. So ClearScale is indeed a leading provider of professional services and one of the key partners of AWS. We have vast experience in platform architecture design, application modernization, and migrations to the cloud. My name is Dennis Volkov, and I am Director of Managed Services here. And today we're going to tell you more about the service that ClearScale has introduced recently and the experience one of our customers is happy to share.
Perfect. Thank you, Dennis. Well, today we have a three-pronged approach. We're going to start by reviewing life before and after ClearScale MSP with CommissionTrac. We're going to hear directly from the CTO, Steven Peter. And finally, we'll review the ClearScale MSP offering, how it clearly stands out against the competition. So without further delay, I'd like to pass it over to Sergey to tell us a little bit more about CommissionTrac.
Hello, everyone. Thanks, Jay, for introduction. I'm Sergey. I'm the account manager of CommissionTrac. So as any startup or small company, CommissionTrac wants to concentrate more on their business needs, new features, product development, and simply to leave technical support stuff to someone else. They reached out to Amazon looking for cloud management expertise, and AWS recommended ClearScale Managed Services. With our huge knowledge of cloud environment, super fast response, and of course, competitive pricing. CommissionTrac became our client. We reviewed their environment, set up our monitoring sensors, and started watching over it 24/7. Not only do we support the platform, but the team made some performance optimization as well as DevOps processes automation. In general, we have become a part of CommissionTrac team.
Indeed. So Sergey, what's the biggest challenge CommissionTrac faced after spinning up the environment in the cloud?
So I think this is a lack of knowledge, how it's supposed to be working. And the more important thing is day and night environment monitoring and management. For the past few years, we have worked on many things to keep the environment up to date, secured, and well performed. So I want to highlight some major areas of improvement for CommissionTrac. So proactive monitoring provides a view into the health and status of AWS services. The team is taking care of services are performing along with identifying potential areas of risk 24/7. Platform management is now our responsibility. We are actually treating it as our own business. Proactive communication and fast SLAs. This is very important nowadays to react effectively and timely. The average response time is less than 15 minutes, and the issue resolution time ranges between 5 to 17 hours. So that's less than a day. That's fantastic results for our team. On a quarterly basis, the support team reviews the platform and creates an infrastructure report that includes performance and cost optimization by cutting AWS costs in different areas. Also, security checks and general incidents review. On top of that, we had a request to generate a service usage report, and we also have a ticket report, availability report that any customer can generate in our portal. CommissionTrac has the assigned account manager, me, who has a bigger picture of what is happening and provides the overview of what is being performed on the ClearScale side to Sibin at regular meetings. With all outlined key benefits, ClearScale support team assures that any incident will be handled fast and properly escalated if needed. Of course, you never know when you are down, but the team will do the best to remediate a service following prescribed runbooks and notify the CommissionTrac team. And indeed, downtimes are history now.
Well, an interesting fact that according to Gartner, the average cost of IT downtime is 5.6K per minute. And due to the differences in the operational methods, downtime can vary from being at the low range of 140 per hour to 300K per hour on average. So
yeah, they have saved a fortune.
yeah, indeed.
Certainly not something that anybody wants on their bottom line.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, Sergey, for reviewing that. Now I'd like to show us a testimony from Stephen Peter, who's the CTO at CommissionTrac. And we were fortunate enough that he was willing to record this for us and give us his personal feedback. And I think, as you'll see, he's really been blown away with our services so far.
So here at CommissionTrac, we are growing every day. Every day we are adding new commercial brokers to our list of clients. And as we add new customers, the need of our resources are going up. We are scaling up our infrastructure to handle all these load requirements. And that's where ClearScale fits right in. My name is Stephen Peter. I'm the CTO of CommissionTrac. We offer commercial real estate brokers a one-stop web-based application that they can use with their back office folks to help them pay their agents faster and on time. We were looking for someone to offer 24-hour support for our DevOps, and ClearScale was a great fit. They provide 24/7 support. They are available immediately. Anytime we need anything, they're right there. The communication is excellent. So if I need anything, I just raise a ticket with them and they respond right away. ClearScale has been very helpful in helping us to become more efficient. We have worked with them to scale up our infrastructure, make it more sturdy, more reliable, so downtime is very minimal. The first time that ClearScale impacted our operation was when they sent out an email asking, hey, is everything okay? And what had actually happened was they have this monitoring agent that they run, and it had detected issues even before we were aware of it. When ClearScale reached out to us and let us know before our customers got to it, so we could be proactively fix the problem, that was a big moment. I'm like, wow, this is definitely a game changer.
Dennis, Sergey, what specifically jumped out to you when you hear something like this?
Personally, to me, the important point that I can imagine that is really important for businesses is the ramp-up times, right? The onboarding times. Obviously, having the team with vast expertise available right away is definitely a helping thing for guys comparing to building the team on your own.
Yeah, I think the proactive monitoring obviously sticks out on my side, just because you can kind of tell in his voice and even in his emotions just how impactful that was to him to be able to jump in front of something before the customers really dealt with it and started filing support tickets. And that's another factor when we talk about downtime. Is not only is it costing you a great deal for the normal kind of run, but your support team is going to be overrun by tickets. You're going to have all kinds of issues from customers. You might lose customers. And so there's all kinds of, fees that are going to run into that bottom line. Dennis, I would love for you to go ahead and take the wheel and provide an overview of ClearScale's managed services and how we differentiate ourselves from all of our competition.
Yeah, sure. So ClearScale Managed Services is built around the idea of freeing our customers from operational and technical hassles, right? So we believe that there are a lot of business things to do that customer can concentrate on while leaving the technical part to somebody who is actually specialized in it, right? So we offer 24/7 team, right? So 24/7 team is available right away, basically with 0 onboarding times, right? Compare that to hiring your team internally. Customer platform is constantly monitored both by tools as well as manually by engineers. We do different types of audits that result in the lists of potential improvements and optimization recommendations, including those related to cost and security. So the incident management is and processing is based on runbooks, which can be tailored to customers' needs. Combine that with one of the industry-leading response times, and you get the idea of one of the best experiences you can get with MSP. One of the key differentiators of ClearScale Managed Services offering is that on top of regular 24/7 runbooks-based break-fix support, we offer a monthly budget of hours that can be spent for various DevOps and security-related improvements and optimizations. So tasks like DevOps automation, disaster recovery, plan development, custom monitoring, security audits and optimizations, right? So various infrastructure updates, all of that is offered to our customers and provided by the basically best experts in the industry. So we have years of experience working with all kinds of projects, be it app dev or migrations. So today, with the introduction of managed services, we are ready to provide the whole ecosystem of services, from the initial requirements gathering and architecture design to the forthcoming platform operational support, as well as further evolving customers' platform and taking it to the next level. So we design, we then build, we deploy, we then maintain, and then we improve. So basically, we're making it a whole cycle.
Yeah, and then I think one thing that certainly always stands out whenever I look at ClearScale versus other people, and as you mentioned, we provide the entire ecosystem, but we also have the certifications to back that up. And part of that is being a premier consulting partner and having 11 now competencies. Dennis, can you walk through not only how difficult these are to achieve, but what kind of a benefit this is to managed services customers?
Yeah, so as you correctly mentioned, Jay, ClearScale has a long list of competencies that reflects basically years of expertise. Each competency implies a whole audit of your expertise as a provider, your processes, tools, practices, and a whole lot of other stuff. So it's not like you're going to have AWS competency in your pocket if you do one thing right or one thing great. You actually have to do a lot of stuff right to get it, right, to get the AWS competency. So that's why we see a lot of customers whom Amazon easily recommends ClearScale for coming to us for the best cloud expertise.
Exactly. And I think, not only whenever you sign up as a managed services partner, but to have somebody that, as we've mentioned, can handle your ecosystem from start to finish, help you with applications in the future, help you with migrations in the future. It really does, give a sense of calm for a business to have that kind of knowledge set. Any closing statements as we start to wrap up our CommissionTrac story?
I'm hoping to see more of them coming, right? And definitely happy to see happy customers, right, that are satisfied with the service. So we're constantly growing, evolving, improving, right? So we'll be glad to keep in touch.
Excellent. Well, special thanks to Dennis and Sergey for walking through this great MSP story. We have a wide range of fantastic customers, utilizing our MSP services. To learn more about each of these, you can visit clearscale.com, where we have plenty of public case studies regarding not only our MSP, but obviously all of the additional services that we're proud to offer. So again, for more information, visit clearscale.com and reach out to us at sales@clearscale.com for any questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.